breaking inputs that we are tracking. In fact, this one in connection with Dhananjay Singh, who has been granted bail, is what we're picking up. This is the former Jaunpur MP who has gotten relief. Now, Dhananjay Singh has gotten bail. That is the big development here. Remember, the former MP was sentenced to 7 years in prison, and these are charges of kidnapping against the former MP in question. He was accused of kidnapping the manager, that is the manager of the Namami Gange project. So on that front, we are picking up that Dhananjay Singh has got relief, legal relief rather, in terms of this particular case. There were allegations of the fact that he had kidnapped the person in question as far as this is concerned. And earlier, of course, in terms of this, Allahabad High Court had granted bail to former Jaunpur MP Dhananjay Singh and has refused to stay his punishment, is essentially what we know. In fact, he was earlier sentenced to 7 years in a high-profile kidnapping and extortion case. So that is, of course, legally speaking, a huge development. As far as he gets this bail, he's getting legal relief though, but important to note here that the charges that was alleged against him, in fact, talking about this particular case, he was earlier sentenced to 7 years in imprisonment, and over the same case, the Allahabad High Court, we understand, a short while ago did grant bail to the former Jaunpur MP, that is Dhananjay Singh, and they have, of course, refused to stay his punishment. This punishment in question is 7 years imprisonment, high-profile kidnapping, as well as an extortion case. In fact, he was accused of kidnapping a manager. These are the essential charges of extortion and kidnapping. The person in question was manager of the Namami Gange project, is what we're picking up so far. So clearly, there is relief for him, but more so with the fact that there were such serious allegations against him, yet he has been granted bail. We'll try connecting with our correspondents to tell us more essentially in purview of these legal charges, what did the court observe, and therefore, of course, giving him that particular relief. We'll continue to track that input, but for the moment, shift our focus to more developments that